3:24 a.m. and we are heading to the airport to catch our first leg to Charlotte, North Carolina. And from Charlotte, North Carolina, we're heading to New York, to JFK, and then we're gonna fly to Madrid, Spain. Oh, and the crowd goes wild. So the chauffeur is Brianna. Oh, I thought you was waving. And then Riri's back there, and we're all excited.
Y'all are excited.
We're excited. Bree's not going this time, but we are excited, Riri and I, and we're gonna meet up with Mup in New York City. So I'll see you later. Good morning. Again, it is 4:32 and we are waiting at gate 57, but I think we're going to be boarding on gate 54, heading out to Charlotte to catch our connecting flight to New York. We have arrived at JFK Airport, and right now we're going to meet up with my cousin Mup after I get my luggage because it was too big. My carry-on was too big, so I had to check it in Orlando, and it just met me at my destination. Hopefully it is here. I hope. All right. Take my first international flight to Madrid, Spain. Excited! All right, we are getting on the elevator. I gotta do my video. That's right, y'all have my bag, okay?
I'm like, I found a hustle, hold on, I ain't found a hustle. Real life, on the train, love, rapping on the bed. And they know I came from nothing, so I had to wait. I just woke up a day and I wondered if counting the women were back and I never replied. Went back to school, I was looking supply and I fought for a job and I never got high. Running for life, I would never retire. Been through a lot, so I gotta get high. Niggas is strong, these women is lying. I died for my daughter, a hell of a rhyme. One in the chain, that's what you let. Getting so drunk and I'm watching my set. Life is a bitch and I wonder if sex. Ignore her text, she calling me names. Calling for money, she calling for sex. Talking and stuff.
So we've just had a great adventure in New York City, and we finally got back to the train station at JFK. It was very interesting. We had a wonderful time in New York City. We went to Junior's and we had some cheesecake. We had cheesecake and crab cakes and portobello. Muff had the Reuben, and Riri had the brisket. And we had cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake, and carrot cheesecake as well. And I will post the pictures so you can see them, of course. Okay, so we are now on our international flight to Madrid, Spain. It is a 7.5-hour flight. We're leaving at night. We're leaving at 8:50, and we will arrive, I think, about 12 o'clock their time in the daytime. So we're excited. We're flying Iberia, and so far, so good. They gave us pillows and a blanket, right, for our long 7.5-hour night flight. And they also gave us these earbuds so that we can watch our own little personal monitor. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Alright, so we've had quite an exhausting day, but I think everybody is kind of repumped, excited to be on board, and we'll get sleepy again. Y'all still sleeping? Y'all kind of pumped right now?
Yeah.
Oh, what you doing, Mop?
You can do shopping, on board shopping. Well, you just got me all on it's in your room. With your little furler bag.
On board shopping. Isn't that something? What about you, Ree? What you doing over there?
I'm gonna watch a movie.
Yeah.
Options.
you have options for watching movies, and it's not 3 or 4. It's a lot.
Try to show you carefully.